What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So if you guys are new here, my name is Eamon. Behind me is my 2023 G80 M3 competition. And today's video, we're gonna be installing the last mod, at least aesthetically. So if you guys are new to this channel, I've done a lot to this car so far and I've made videos about all this stuff, but just to catch you up really quickly, I installed a diffuser and some splitters with a nice wing right over there. I've installed the side skirt with a wing to match the splitter in the back. In the front, we did the CSL style grille, the carbon fiber inlets, and also a super aggressive front lip. In the back, I also installed the sports style carbon fiber diffuser, which looks really good. Honestly, probably one of my favorite mods. One that I forget about all the time is this little carbon fiber overlay on the side vent. And lastly, and most recently, we installed these carbon fiber side mirror caps along with these smoked out sequential turn signals. So I wasn't lying to you guys when I said I did a lot to this car already. And it was all thanks to Keys Motorsports, so huge shout out and thank you to them. If you guys want any of this stuff, links down in the description as always. But like I said, we have one more mod to install. But before we get to that, there's one thing I have to do to this car, something that people keep on telling me to do, but I've been putting off for a little while. It's actually probably the first thing I should have done to this car, so in a way I'm doing the first and last thing to this car. And that is removing all of the stickers in the interior of this car. I've literally owned this car, guys, for months now, and I've kept all these stickers on. Not just this one, I think there's some on the little M3 logo over there, and I think some on the door sill down there. I can't tell you guys how many times I've gotten roasted for having these stickers still on my car. I mean, I've literally owned the car for months now, so kind of can't blame you guys, but I want to take them off for a while now, and I figured I'd do it with you guys on camera. I don't know if you guys are even interested in seeing this, but I always find it satisfying, so I figured I'd film it. So with that said, finally gone. I'm not gonna lie guys, the screen actually looks better without it on. So I've been missing out for a little while, but that's okay. It's gone now. All right, so let's get some of these other ones, like this one, right over here. Alright, so I think that was all the stickers. They are finally gone, so stop roasting me in the comments, guys. The stickers are gone. I just kept them so long because I felt like I was protecting the car. I don't know. Also made the car still feel new. Now with the stickers gone, it feels like a used car. I don't know. It's a weird thing. Anyways, guys, let me just show you the new mod for today, and let's quickly install that one because it shouldn't hopefully take long. So here is the new mod or mods for today. If you guys can't tell what these are carbon fiber canards for the front of this G80 M3. These should be pretty easy in terms of the actual installation. They just go on with 3M tape. However, just lining them up and making sure that they're even on both sides, that's gonna be the tough part. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install them and I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. Alright guys, so like I said, that was a super easy and quick install. Just some 3M tape. Now this didn't come with 3M tape. I actually had to put some myself. So if you guys are going to be doing this mod yourself, keep that in mind. Make sure you have some strong 3M tape. So you guys can see here, I lined this one up. It actually looks really sick and the fitment is surprisingly good. Now there's no real like guide on where to put this. Maybe Keys has something on their website, but I kind of just winged it. And it looks really, really good. The other side actually went ahead and did it in a smarter way. I used some masking tape, so I lined it up first, put some masking tape so I can tell where it's supposed to go, and then I put it on. And I also grabbed a measuring tape to make sure that the height and everything is consistent with the other side. And overall it is. I mean, it's probably a little off, but let's be honest guys, no one's really gonna notice. If I just take a step back, you guys can see that like subtle fin, and it's pretty cool because it goes with the lip. Like, I think if you guys didn't have the lip, it would look a little funny, but with the lip, it definitely matches. Now, to address something you guys are probably wondering about, I obviously installed only 2 canards, whereas you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I had 4. That's because each side is supposed to have 2, so they kind of like stack above each other. Now, I have those other 2 with me, but I'm not sure exactly yet if I want to put these on because maybe I can quickly turn the camera and show you guys. So with just the one, I think it looks really cool. It's still subtle and it looks tasteful. But if I put the other one, like it looks cool as well. So this one's gonna sit above like that. but to me, it starts to look like gills. Maybe I can do this better this way. You guys can see, it's gonna go something like that. So it'll definitely look cool, but I don't know if I want both. Maybe you guys let me know, should I do this one or should I just leave it off? Should I do like that, which I think looks cleaner and simpler, and it kind of goes, I don't know, a little better with my style? Or should I go and do both of them? So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Should I keep it like this or should I install the second one? But again, right now, I kind of just like the look of the ones that are currently on the car. But with that said, the front end of this M3 is finally complete, and this thing looks so mean and so menacing, especially in black. And wait, hold on guys, just in case you didn't know, we also have the yellow DRLs. This thing looks so sick, guys. I don't know how well it translates on camera, but in person, man, it looks menacing. But anyways, not only is the front end complete, the rest of the car is complete as well, at least in terms of carbon fiber mods. So again, another huge shout out and thank you to Keys Motorsports for sending me out all of these mods. I want to remind you one more time, this is only phase 1. So in terms of cosmetics, the car is done with the exception of like suspension and wheels, but this is only phase 1. Phase 2, we're gonna go even crazier and we're gonna change up the look again. So definitely stay tuned for more videos about this car, guys. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.